Hey everybody, welcome to the 506SXS ATV YouTube channel. And today I'm here to show you this product sent to us by Ehaho. It's their 2-foot LED whips. I'm going to install them on my Honda Pioneer and show you how that goes, show you what they look like, show you what all is included in the box, everything you need to see, and we'll turn the lights off in here and we'll go through some of the modes, show you what they can do and what they look like. And then I'm going to gift them to my friend Greg, and he's going to put them on his Polaris Ranger, and he's going to install them on his Roto Cap. So come on in here and we'll see what's in the box. Okay, so we'll open the box. This is just how they sent it through the mail. See what's in here. Okay, so it looks like we've got an assortment of flags. There's an American flag, another American flag, here's a Canadian flag, a second Canadian flag. We've got this Live to Ride, Ride to Live Eagle flag, second one of those. Here is a Don't Tread on Me flag. And again, a second one of those. There's two of every design. Get those out of the way. Get your springs for the bottom of the whips to give them a little more springiness. Spring mounts. Get your rocker switch with the required wires and connectors. Here's your mounts to hook your flags to your whips. Instruction manual, mounting hardware, zip ties, and the remote for the whips. And of course, here we go. We're going to get into the whips themselves. Nice short little 2-footers with the black backgrounds, the black housings, the black tips, and the black mounts, and the wires with the controller, which gives you a good diagram of what the colors are for, and you can hook them up to reverse, brake, and your turn signals. Here it comes with connectors already on it. Hook this to your battery, to your 12-volt source, or your toggle switch for them. So that's everything that's included in the box. For the purposes of my video, I'm going to hook up the whips on my Pioneer using the existing mounts I got here on each side of my rear bumper. I'm going to opt not to use the springs, and I'm also going to opt not to hook it up to my brake lights. I'm just going to hook it up to a 12-volt source and just use it on or off, and with the remote to switch the modes. Each whip comes with approximately 8 feet of cord from the controller, so you can space them out approximately 8 feet from the controller on either side, whatever you need. Okay, so installation is super simple. They have these quick release connectors that go right on the mounts. And again, if you were using the spring mount, it has the same connector as what I'm using. So you just pull back, push on, and it snaps on. But for me, I'm going to opt not to use these, because I already have mounts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck my whip in such a way that the wire is hidden. And then, using the quick connect, snap her on there. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. Again, I'm going to put my whip in such a way that the wire is tucked out of the way. And using the quick connect, push on, it will snap on. And now I'll get into wiring up my power. And what I like to do, because I have the 12-volt accessory port in the box, is I will hook a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug on here, and I will plug that directly into my outlet in the box, and it will be controlled by the key on and off or the remote. Okay, so here's the end I'll be using to plug into my 12-volt port on the box. As you can see, it's just a cigarette lighter with a red and a black wire. And the power for the whips is just a red and a black wire, so it's pretty simple. Just going to do it the old-fashioned way, twist the wires together, throw a little black tape on it, and we'll call it done. And then we'll hook it up and see how it looks. Follow along. The black wire and the black wire, and put them together. Twist them up. Red wire, put them together, twist them up, just like that. Little black tape, cover them up. Now if you really want to get fancy, you could use shrink tube or connectors. For my purposes, this will work out just great. Just like that. We'll take and tape up these connectors just so they don't arc off anything. This would be for your signals and your brake lights. White would be reverse, red would be brakes, and your black will be your right turn signal, and the yellow will be your left turn signal. But I'm not going to use those, so I'm just going to tape them up out of the way. Okay, now that those are all wired, I'm going to tuck my wire here behind my storage box. Into the back of the side-by-side. Now I'll plug them into the 12-volt accessory port and we'll turn it on and see what they look like. They look pretty good. Okay, so right off the hop, you'll see they went into some kind of demo mode. So you want to get out your remote. And as you see on the remote here, there's different colors. You can change the speed, the mode, the brightness, different modes, auto. Let's try red. Red, green, blue, yellow. There is also an app you can get for your phone where you can control it from your phone and you can create custom do-it-yourself color modes, whatever you prefer. Okay, now that you can see what they look like, how you install them, let's turn off the lights and see if we can get a better view at the colors. I want to thank Ehaho for sending these 2-foot LED whips to test and review, and we very much appreciate it. And if you want to get a set of these for yourself, make sure you check out Ehaho. They sell whips, sound bars, and all different sorts of products for your UTV. A little bit of info on these whips. They are waterproof, sandproof, dustproof, shockproof. And you can connect your phone. The lights will go to the beat of the music or the microphone. And I'll list some other features on the screen here. Thanks to Ehaho for sending us this great product. We'll be sure to enjoy it. And thanks to you for watching the video.